Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MateView monitor. In this video I'll show you how to connect DisplayPort or HDMI cable to your monitor. In the beginning, take a look at the back of the monitor. Now remove this cover, and once it's done, prepare cable you are interested in. You can select DisplayPort cable or HDMI. Next, you can connect HDMI to one of two ports, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Simply plug it inside the port at the back of the monitor, right here. For your convenience, make sure that monitor is laying down. Once you are connected, simply mount the cover. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.